Hi friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating our house for fall. We are in a bit of time crunch. I'm watching my niece at 2:30, but we got our fall drinks from Starbucks. I am on that PSL trend. I love this pumpkin cream cold brew. I've gotten so many of them since I discovered how amazing it is. I get it with a salt packet on it and I think it makes a big difference. I like it a lot. First stop on our little list, we have some shopping to do this morning, and then we are going to go home and decorate, and I'm gonna make some pumpkin cookies later. Today is just a very fall day. Because Kansas is in the Midwest, and the Midwest is awful about seasons, we are right now in what some would call second summer. Because it was fall. We had a false fall where we had a couple of days that were super cozy and amazing and wonderful, and now I'm getting kind of depressed because it's getting warm again. So I need some more fall in my life. We're gonna decorate our house today and just kind of make it feel like fall inside, and then when it gets chillier, hopefully it's gonna get chillier because next week, I think next week, the official day of fall is the 21st or 22nd? Yeah, 21st, that's next week. So I'm hoping that it gets to feel more like fall by then. But the first thing we're gonna do, I have like my little list down here, is going to Hobby Lobby. We're gonna go in and get some stuff. So Hobby Lobby did not have the selection that I was hoping for. And something I forgot to mention at the beginning is that a couple days ago, or maybe it was, yeah, a couple days ago, I went through all of my fall decor and kind of separated out like what's Halloween, what's Thanksgiving, and what's just fall. And a lot of my Thanksgiving stuff overlaps with just plain old fall stuff. I don't really want to decorate for Halloween right now specifically, just kind of like to feel more like fall. And I realized that I have a few like my main fall decor is for the living room. So my goal today with a little bit of the shopping is to just kind of get some stuff to like decorate our kitchen and to decorate our front hallway and our bedroom, and just to make the whole house feel like fall and not just specifically the living room. So we are going to go into another arts and crafts store to try and find better fall foliage and just something to like decorate our kitchen with and just make the whole house feel more like fall. Hey Dad, look, a goldfinch, I think. So this is kind of a little overview of what I got. I got a bunch of different fall foliage to put around the house. This autumn harvest soup from Trader Joe's, which I've heard is really yummy, so I'm excited to try that. Pumpkin rolls, which I've also heard are a must. A cute little pumpkin to use to decorate. We won't carve this one. I'm hoping that it'll last until like Thanksgiving so that I can have a pumpkin in the house. I got this really cute little glass pumpkin. I also got one for my mom. Some apples. These JoJo's that are like Halloween JoJo's, which I think are cute. And then this little leaf. And gigantic Danish Kringle, which I was not aware it was going to be this big when we got it, but I'm excited. So I've never had this butternut squash mac and cheese, so Andrew and I are gonna try it for lunch and we'll let you know if it's good. It says that there's 2 servings in here, so we're gonna have this for lunch. So I'm heating up the oven to cook that squash. With these other pumpkin things, we're not gonna try them today, but if you look at my Instagram, which I'll put up here, I will try them on an Instagram story and let you know how I like them. I hope I like them. I have a little bit of time, so I think I am going to start decorating, which I'm really excited about. And then I'll make, tonight for dinner I'm making a HelloFresh meal, so I'm not gonna try this tonight, but I am going to try it when it gets colder. So again, stay tuned on Instagram. I will express my trying it on Instagram. I just finished making this and we're gonna try it. You ready?
Yep.
I'm starving, so I'm really ready. Yeah, is it yummy? It's cooled off, yeah. Okay.
It's not bad.
You ate it?
Yeah.
Mmm. I like it. So my actual review of this is that it's a little spicier than I thought it would be.
Mm-hmm. There's a little kick.
Yeah, but not spicy like jalapenos or like peppers. Spicy like yeah.
Yeah.
Spicy like spices. And that I thought it would have more like a squashy flavor, but it's really just like mac and cheese. Like if somebody were to give me this, I wouldn't know that there was anything but cheese and pasta.
Yeah, I would agree. I wouldn't think there was like a squash
Yeah.
thing to it. You want to
Your
shop?
mouth is full,
I'm
Joy.
gonna say you're chipmunking already. What do you mean?
So yeah, I would say that it's really good and I definitely want to have it more. Well, we have a little baby sitting right now. And then we will get back to decorating. Cheers. I'm gonna take out the white pillows and that pillow and replace them with fall pillows. Before, after. All of my fall decor is very cheesy. Same with my like Christmas decor and like Halloween stuff. It's very cheesy. It's like it's not like necessarily like my style, it's just my fall style. So basically, this is cue the montage of all our fall decor. Go. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below of your favorite fall activity. Check the link in the description box for my fall COVID bucket list, which I will be posting. I'll be initially sharing on Pinterest, so you can find the link to the pin in the description box. Definitely making anything pumpkin is going to be on there. These are my favorite cookies. They didn't turn out as good as my mom's, but like whatever does. Thank you for watching this video. It would make my heart super, super happy if you subscribe to my channel so that we could be friends. And yeah, I'm sorry I didn't get a video up on Wednesday. I did a post on my Facebook page about it. I'm gonna put a link to the Facebook page in the description box as well. But basically I was just feeling very creatively overwhelmed with some stuff that I have going on and some plans and some things that I'm planning to do soon. But stay tuned for a lot more fall themed videos. I have a lot of really fun ideas and some videos that I'm going to remake that I did a couple falls ago, which will be really fun. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out. That's it. That's the end of my video. Have a cookie. Bye.